we're seeing?
Crossing theatre, and then we'll go and take you and show you the river.
Okay.
Stevie and Blake haven't seen it.
Yes. Yes, KFC, please.
Karen's Fattening Centre.
Yeah, Karen's Fattening Centre.
We'll go for a walk across there, kids. Just park here.
Okay.
I took a picture of KFC.
Yeah, bro, I may as well take some pictures
I still
and...
think I've got everything. Can fix all the problems, don't
I
they?
took a picture of KFC.
No, I'm not putting up with Jackie and Sarah's shit. I just don't have to, do I? They drop me like a shitty rag. Yeah, she stopped working. She stopped.
Holy!
She stopped working and that, and that money was tight. I understand that, but it's all very convenient how it all happened. And remember, I told you the day she didn't even speak to me in the house.
That big hill's
She
under.
can get nicked.
Yeah.
Imagine that. That's like so far off the ground.
Yeah.
That big hill's under.
Yeah. Let me Chris across.
Now listen to me.
Cross.
I'm going to take you for a walk down there, but you stay with me.
It is. That's Miss Crisscross.
Just walk in the water, okay? Are they in your shoes? Don't get them wet. Can you catch me? Can I jump too?
I don't know, can you? Oh, you're close. Yeah, that's Miss Crisscross.
We're going to walk down here, but you stay with me, kids. You hear me?
Hey, Miss Crisscross. Good, you? That's nice.
I thought you went to Sydney.
No, she went to it.
Where's the big hill? It was down there now under.
Yeah, it's way under. Yeah.
If someone's got a problem with shoelaces,
Yep, someone does.
stop to see if he does his shoelace up.
My shoelaces are perfectly done.
But why don't they keep coming undone?
Well, you're not doing them up properly.
I am.
up taller.
You know what? You keep speaking the way you are, and I'll be able to get away with everyone else, Steve, but you're not going to do it with me.
Look at the chair. Yeah, sure. Let's go. No. Poor chair.
Okay, hey. Oh, in your shoes. That's lovely.
I can't go over there with my new shoes.
Take them off and walk into it.
I'll go in there barefoot. I'll go in there barefoot. I'm back.
If my socks weren't
I'm dying.
I just walked through Dumbledore.
That's a lonely chair though.
I got there by itself.
Oh, whittled chair.
Yep. Poor chair.
Okay, everybody stand there and
there's
I'll take
ants.
a photo of you all together.
There's ants.
Back there, Blake.
My socks are wet.
Huh?
I want to take yous all together. Bunch up.
There's ants.
You'll be right. They're not going to hurt you for a minute.
Okay, let's go. Push. Yeah, push her in, my dudes. Oh, someone can carry my shoes now.
No.
Since someone's got their keys in there.
Oh,
Oh my bloody mosquitoes.
Don't fall in. Yeah, don't fall in.
yeah, it looks like swamp.
They're nice. I like them.
Thanks. Sketches.
Hey? Sketchy, and they're so comfortable, aren't they?
It's soft and wet.
People starting to pull back, which is really important. They're really pulling back. Yes, take them off. I'll just get the car first, okay?
Alright. Yeah, then we can go through more floodwaters.
Dirty feet, my dudes.
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh, I haven't seen these in ages.
Just want to see you touch the ground.
Holy shit.
We're going to go this way. Take them off, Joe. We're going to go down there. We're going to walk up the bound there to get some pictures behind the oval.
Who wants to come in with me? Me!
Can't leave them there.
Can't leave your
I'm
shoes
not.
there.
We're going that way. I'm going to pick them back up. But we're going now.
No, I'm going to pick them back up.
Everyone take this one. We've got go on. Jake, you can carry.
Oh!
Hey, help me up the floor.
Oh well, you live. Don't fall over there.
Yeah, don't fall over.
carrying your shoes.
Hey, what's that?
Jacob, I'm not carrying your shoes.
Yeah, Jacob.
Oh, come on,
Oh, man. That's too busy. Yeah. It's like someone took a dog piss in here.
We can say we walked in the 2021 flood water.
Yep.
Be careful when you tell the joke. We'll walk through the oval.
Yeah, we walked through here.
No, you won't. We don't know how deep it is, Jake.
You're not walking through it because it's closed. No, we can walk through the oval.
Go through the oval.
No, but you don't know how deep it is.
Oi!
I'm not going. You can walk the kids then.
Go through here? Yeah, bro. Let's go through here, bro. Let's go.
Go through this little bit here.
Man, I'd laugh if we fall through this grass.
Got to take the duck over here. Mikey, come on, go look at the water. Come back to the oval. Come on.
Look Oh, I saw Brody did.
Run.
Run, I said. Hurry up.
Go through here again?
No, just play, Jake.
Hey, drop your shoes.
Quick, catch up to us. Come on, get them skinny legs running.
Next minute you see it rising up.
Don't take the car. Get our car and go and get it. And we'll bring you back as soon as we finish with the water.
He's probably not.
Oh, Chintaya. That wasn't me. Look, that was you.
I know.
Silly, wasn't it? Where's your phone?
In my pocket.
Why aren't you taking photos?
Because I got AIDS. Diane, yeah.
Oh, it's alright.
I don't need like 1 million photos on my phone. Yeah, I'll blow up this phone. It's really like the right itself. have permission to take them birds, don't
No, you cannot eat it.
Hey, why did that happen?
Show me.
Oh, poor thing.
Bebop! Bebops! Oh.
What's his name again?
Bebop. No, we had one like that as well. We just don't remember the name of it.
I think that's some others like that. Yeah, I do too. Yeah, there's just a little bite. Already have enough mosquitoes on me. What? Nothing. No, I didn't say that. Ow, that's... Oh, that's... There is. I just got something in my feet. Yeah, it's still things off the tree.
You good? Here, jump on my back.
Oh,
Jump on.
Shantae's giving me a piggyback. Don't you dare make me
Can you
fall.
carry my shoes? And I'll carry the iPad because I'm recording. Hold on tight.
I don't like those.
Oh well, I'll be the one getting the birds in my feet then. Sheesh! Yes, so. I'm a horsey.
And you're a talking horse.
Yep.
Hey, speak for.
Speech.
Say I hate you, horse.
I hate you, horse.
Imagine being a town.
Yeah, you gotta go KFC for that. Kids Fattening Centre. No, not Kids Fattening Centre.
Town Pattinson.
Yeah.
You big fat. That's just like going in.
Get on the chair. Go in. Just a little bit. Now look at me.
Oh, Jacob's in there.
Jake.
Get her.
That's it, no more than that.
Jeez.
Okay, everyone on the chair.
Doesn't answer me.
Like that's where I'll sit. Yeah, move. You can sit on my lap.
Just move the shoes down so everyone gets on the chair, please. Just choose this chair. We're not taking photos of shoes. Sit down, please. Put your arm around each other.
Oh, him.
Now stay there. Don't move anybody. Okay? Everyone look out to the water.
Yeah, Sean. Hey. Oh, look at that mad dog.
Down.
He's rolling.
Arm around Jake.
You should have seen the dog. He was
Oh,
rolling.
Blake, put it down.
Good.
Yeah, Sean.
Let's go back now. Walk far enough?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, go to the side of the flag.
You're shooting in the water. You want a stick here? I can't play stick today. What's a play stick?
Ah, don't
God, she's come up, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Probably another 10 years before you all see this again.
Yep.
Another piggyback.
Just use, wear my shoes.
Okay.
I can't be carrying an iPad and carrying a person. Get off me, you bully.
Okay.
You got him on?
No, because there's still a sock in here. No.
Quick, hurry up. I can't stand straight on my legs all day. get bit by mosquitoes be like?
Meow.
Imagine that hit a fish. Did you see a fish jumping up and catching it in its mouth like a doggy? Hey, dead fish there? No, I'm joking.
It looks like today.
Hey!
Wanderers. Right.
Get moving. Get going.
Get going.
Hurry up, you lot. Move it.
Yeah,
Or
Diane.
lose it.
Yeah, Diane, move it.
Get going. Hurry up, quick.
Oh no!
That part of the water's deep. Yeah, it's deep.
I know he does. He was wearing them. Yeah, he wanted to wear them. Oh, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Shut up!
Oh, yes, Daddy.
I'm recording, you know.
We're going to on YouTube.
He does. Oh, you dropped the sock! The sock drowned. Definitely did not almost trip through a hole. Oh yeah. Die! Hey, go in my eye. Oh, I got bit. Like how many times?
Come on, Jake, if you're going to be running over.
Man, I shouldn't have got out. You know, my feet are wet.
Yeah, my sock might be drenched.
Probably.
Raging down there, was it?
No. You have to make me carry those.
Yeah, where's my socks? Oh, they're in there, okay. Good.
Isn't it good? And that one. Oh no, I'm back on.
But that'd be nice to put in a frame, those two together, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Phoenix should be bloody there, though. It's just wrong. I said to Caleb, take our car and go and get him, and we'll bring him back as soon as we're finished looking at the water. Oh no, he's playing down the back.
By himself.
Yeah. Even selfish cunts. That's all
Should
they
have
are.
added that bit. Yeah, by himself.
Bringing bullshit.
Like, do you still play Monster Box?
It's
I've
cool.
got so good things on it.
No, I don't play it.
He would have had a ball, wouldn't he?
Like, you want to see who can get the exact same things?
But he would have had fun with like.
Yeah.
They can't
You wanna
let him have
see
a bit
who
of fun,
can
see
get-
the water, can they?
You want to
hey?
get every single
No,
pet?
friggin' arseholes.
It's gonna be impossible.
There we go.
Well, not
The river.
really. You just have
Just
to.
turn, went off the highway just before the river bridge, you know, when we go around
Hey,
that
every
street.
pet we
And we
see.
can
Yeah.
pull in there and they can get photos.
But you can't get the exact same
No, we
one.
can't get closer.
You have to get one of
They
each.
were good, they weren't naughty down there and I couldn't get any closer to water than what we were.
What if you're playing
Just
your other
sticks.
pet?
Oh, that's a kibble the mouse thing.
Yeah.
Logitech's.
Bro, walking in the water is so much fun. I was in the park.
There's fruit bats everywhere, Imagine one just probably you know. It's probably the water through the mud.
No Kentucky for you.
But did we get KFC?
We will. Okay. Don't run into the woods and get us.
Where are we going?
We're just gonna go check out another bridge.
Because if anything else goes wrong, you can always have toast with something on
I hate the skiing on.
Like we all do.
it. Are you enjoying this?
Yeah. Yes. This could be another how many years till we see this again?
10 years or so. I think it was 2020 when the last small flood was, I think.
Yeah.
Never seen a flood like.
No, sorry, 2010. Oh, we're supposed to go down there.
Oh, now you tell me.
I said just turn into the street.
I
before
told
the
you to
bridge.
give me directions.
Oh, I forgot to give you directions. We'll go back. We'll get in the traffic.
Yeah. And Blake,
You should have seen me playing touch 40 today.
yeah,
have fun?
Stephen got some people.
Good on ya.
Touch footy.
Yeah.
See, that's the good things. That's the happy girl.
Bro, I was sweating like a
No, I
cow.
won't hurt you.
I was sweating like a cow.
Maybe you can play touch footy next year when they start the comp up. Something different.
I-
I don't know, Jake. I don't want you.
I was sweating like a cow and
No,
smelling
what
like a
about
pig and stuff.
We'll see. It clashes with soccer, sweetheart.
Yeah, I know.
When you commit to a team, you commit. It's just how it is. Just drop down. Yeah. She's come up since we went here last. Oh, I don't want to get involved. Yeah, just there. Someone's nearly did, didn't they? Okay, kid, let's come on. You'll need your shoes though this time.
My feet are soaked.
Just stand there and take pictures.
I'm just gonna stand and take some photos of it.
Don't be lazy. Come on.
No, but the mosquitoes, Nan, they're
Oh, it's
terrible.
not going to hurt you for 2 seconds.
Yeah, and plus we have to get out as well.
Don't be a sookie lala.
I'm not. 1, 2.
Don't forget us.
I'm not.
They just did it.
Look at the ducks flashed.
Don't look at Diane walking over there. Oh, she like. She like. No,
Likes
she's
blood water.
Huh?
She likes blood water.
Yeah.
she legit wants us to go check it out. Like all of them. I can just take some photos out of here. True, you could.
See you landing in the drink.
Huh?
Landing in the drink.
They're leaving me behind. That's mean.
Like,
Yeah.
let's throw some rocks in me.
this is the actual river.
Yeah.
Which I explained it to you before. Joby and Blake, this is the river. The one over the low level bridge is the creek. And this only has water in it in times of flood. Because a long time ago, you know where we walk when we go for bike rides over the railway line? Remember
Yeah.
that day we walked all that big long way?
Yeah.
Well, right even further there was a place called Karua.
Really?
And these men decided that when Molly Weir was being built, which is to let water through for cotton farmers, they got a whole stack of gravel and bulldozers and they blocked off so all the water would stop flowing in the river and go to the creek. So Molly Weir had water going through it.
Damn.
And that's why we have no water in the river.
Right, let's get some big rocks. Find some big
Try skipping, my dude. I can't skip, but. Aw, well, I missed.
What do you want? Oh, you rock throwing.
for me.
To the car! Nah! Cause I don't want to go for a knee. Still in pain.
You know how to
Ghost doesn't. I just told him, why
They're
did
gotta
you
be
skip?
flat ones.
Huh?
They're gotta be sort of flat.
Yeah, they've got to be like flat ones. What? To skip.
Rocks.
Oh, yeah, I can do it easy.
I can't.
But
I
I
haven't
threw
done
a boulder in.
She can't even skip any rocks. That's a shame.
I'm bouldering. I don't even know how skipping was even made.
You can't throw boulders in and expect to get rocks.
Yeah, no. You can't accept.
You gotta have little flat rocks.
Yeah, just skip them.
I just wanted to throw a rock. You're trying to skip it. Everyone was throwing rocks, so I wanted to throw a rock.
Now you got a mosquito on your back here. Stay
Quick,
still.
get it. What's Blake
Got
doing?
it. There's blood on you.
He's
He's
right
in
here.
the car.
Oh,
And there's blood on your back.
That's okay.
See right there.
Yeah, I can see.
Well, there we've seen the floods of Narrabri, children.
Yep.
Ow! Wait, still need it. Jake, no, well, seatbelt. Oh, yeah,
seatbelt. Oh, stand up on the seat.
Oh, look at that bad kid.
Oh, I got an electric scooter.
Hey, that's what your nan and I want. One of them.
Probably won't even know
You
how to
have
control.
it. Yeah, when
Yeah, shy.
What? Yeah, you don't have to do anything. If I can ride an ordinary scooter, I can ride that, and I can ride a scooter, can't I, Jake?
Barely.
Jacob, I'll ask you again. Nanny can ride a scooter, can't I?
A little bit.
Oh, okay, right. I'll show you up next time you're on a scooter.
I'll show you, man.
Except when I go over bumps and I fall off.
That'd be funny. Oh, no, you remember that time when we were going down the train thing and then you hit a bump and you fell off?
Jakey, remember Southwest Rocks?
Oh,
They
yeah.
kept falling over